Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will implement a half subtractor using Tinkercad. Before that, subscribe to my YouTube channel if not already subscribed. Press the bell icon to receive the latest updates so that you don't miss any of my videos. Like and share my videos. Thank you. So, let's begin. Half subtractor is a 2-input and 2-output variables combinational logic network that does the subtraction of 2 bits of binary data. The truth table, block diagram and logic circuit of half subtractor is as shown here. Let's implement the circuit by creating a new project on Tinkercad. The components required are 2 resistors of 150 ohms each, 2 LEDs for indication, DIPX4 switch, breadboard, power supply, XOR gate IC7486, and gate IC7408, and hex inverter IC7404. Let us connect the power supply to power lines on the breadboard. Let us use the DIPX4 switch for switching the inputs. Since the half subtractor is a 2-input variable combinational circuit, we will use only 2 switches as shown here. Connect the VCC pin and ground pin of the IC to the respective power lines on the breadboard. The expression for difference output is D equals XOR of A and B. The inputs A and B are connected to the inputs 1A and 1B respectively of the XOR gate IC7486. The difference output is available at pin 1, is connected to the LED for indication. The expression for borrow output requires NOT or inverted input A. This inverted input is achieved by using hex inverter IC7404. The inverted output is available at pin output 1. The expression for borrow is B equals NOT A and B. The inverted input A is connected to the input 1A of the AND gate IC7408. Input B is connected to the input 1B of the AND gate IC7408. The borrow output is available at pin output 1, which is connected to the blue LED for an indication as shown here. Now that our circuit is implemented, let us now simulate the circuit. For inputs A and B equals 0, the outputs difference and borrow will be 0. For input A equals 1 and B equals 0, the output difference will be 1, and the output borrow will be 0. For input A equals 0 and B equals 1, the output difference will be 1, and the output borrow will be 1. For inputs A and B equals 1, the outputs difference and borrow will be 0. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and see you soon.